Hey friends, Gared here from the Kingdom Report, and today I'm going to be checking out the new film over in Canada. It's called Canada Far and Wide, and oftentimes I go to the parks alone, but I thought today I want to do something different. I want to have a partner in crime join along with me, and who better than my beautiful girlfriend Ariel.
Hi!
On the show, I've talked about her many times. She actually has a YouTube channel herself. She doesn't use it as she doesn't use it as much anymore, but she's gonna tag along with me. Are you excited about this?
I am excited.
Have you heard anything about this new show?
No.
Do you know who the hosts are?
I think I saw it online somewhere, but I forgot.
That's okay. I was hoping for Ryan Reynolds personally, but I'm not that lucky. But we're gonna go off into EPCOT, check out Canada Far and Wide, and then together we're gonna give our Kingdom Report card. And she just left me. Ariel and I are about to enter EPCOT from International Gateway, but from here, if you zoom in, you can see Gusto's sign for the new Ratatouille ride over there. Ariel, this summer you and I, we went to Paris.
We did.
And we went on Ratatouille.
We did.
What did you think of that attraction?
I really liked it. I think it's different, and I don't know, I thought it was kind of fun. So
It's fun, cute, getting to be a rat and be in a kitchen?
yeah,
Yeah?
it's great.
See, I think that Gordon Ramsay should have a cameo in there. But I love the guy, but yeah. You excited to go into EPCOT?
It's my favorite park ever, so of course I'm excited.
Favorite park ever. Let's go do it. So right now we're about to enter the Canada Pavilion, and this is probably one of my favorite pavilions just because of how aesthetically pleasing it is, how it's very in touch with nature. Oh, Ariel's favorite thing. Right now the Festival of the Arts is going on. So here, this is called Enemy Inc. It is where you get to create these awesome shirts with all these different characters and stuff.
I want to do it.
Okay, we will do it. You want
With
one?
Mickey and Minnie.
With Mickey and Minnie? Okay, then I'll get the Ursula one. Are we doing it right now?
Oh,
Okay, I guess we're doing this now. All right, Ariel. So are you gonna get your shirt?
I did. I got a shirt. I'll have to show you. It's a surprise. I'll have to
surprise.
show you guys at the end of the video what it looks like. 'Cause
Okay.
I just ordered it.
All right.
So it'll be ready after we're done.
Absolutely. But now we're going into Canada Far and Wide in CircleVision 360. It is tech that Disney created to create a 360-degree movie. It has cameras all around the car.
Where does it have
It goes all like that. But right now we're in Victoria Gardens, which is part of Canada, and Ariel's pointing out my favorite flower, which are snapdragons, because snapdragons, when you pinch them right, they talk. See, they talk. I love snapdragons. But yeah, this is Victoria Gardens, and it is supposed to be a representation of British Columbia, which is the west coast of Canada. And I've actually been able to go there. I got to go on a cruise and got to experience that. But I love it here because of the beautiful gardens, and then you get a great shot of what is supposed to be, I believe, part of Quebec. I think that's Quebec City right there, or no, Montreal, something like that. But inside of there is Canada Far and Wide, as I make a dramatic pause. But we're gonna go in there, check it out, and then we'll give you our Kingdom Report card, like I said a little bit before. So Ariel and I are doing a slight detour. We're actually going to get a little snack inside of Le Cellier, which is a steakhouse here, and we're getting lunch inside, which is underneath. This is called Le Chateau Frontenac. It is part of Quebec City. So, Ariel, what are we going to get on the menu?
The cheddar cheese soup.
The cheddar cheese soup. Ariel loves her cheese. She loves her cheese. But yeah, we're going to go in
so
there.
Bad.
I've never been in here before. Have you, Ariel?
No, this is new for me.
Yeah, so yeah, this is going to be a dining review as well as a new film. So something new. Let's go on in. Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, I like the decor. It has that castle feel to it, doesn't it? Yeah.
Very nice.
So, Ariel,
What?
if we actually were in Canada,
Yeah.
we would be in what is called Quebec City, which is one of the last remaining walled cities in the world. Meaning, there's a physical wall around it. It was meant to keep people out of out of the city, so it's a fortification. So
Got it.
yeah, so we're ready for whatever's going to come at us here in good old Canada. Let's do this. So Ariel, what are you thinking about getting?
Okay, so I am gonna get the Canadian cheddar cheese soup. Well, we're gonna split that.
Okay.
And then I also wanted to try the baby iceberg wedge salad.
Okay, and I think I'm going to get... I can't decide between which of the poutine, either beef bourguignon or the lobster poutine, because I'm always a fan of lobster, so we'll figure it out. But it's a very intimate setting here. Very nice. Very rustic. How's a beer cheese soup?
Pretty good.
I like that. And I have my poutine. Ariel has her wedge salad. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yummy? Mm-hmm. It seems small, but that's bigger than my hand. It's pretty big. Definitely going to fill me up. So Ariel, how was your food?
It was delicious.
What was your favorite thing? Was it the salad or?
No, definitely the soup.
Definitely the soup. I like the poutine, but yeah, that soup was pretty good. But now we're gonna exit here, take a left, and we're gonna go see Canada far and wide over there, and then maybe check out Ariel's shirt if it's done. All right. Time to go see how the new show looks out. So my favorite part of the Canada Pavilion is this walkway back here. It's a little loud, but it shows the beauty of Canada's nature. It's very enchanting and mystical. It's romantic. You get to walk on like a little wooden bridge, but you get to see the front side of water. But yeah, very, very loud, beautiful, majestic.
I just wanted to mention.
I mean, yeah, people were recording, but water. And we're gonna walk through really, really fast. But time to go see Canada far and wide. So right as Ariel and I are about to go watch Canada far and wide, every guest is walking out because they're experiencing some technical difficulties. Disney just can't handle the beauty that is Canada. So we're gonna go check on our shirt, and maybe after that it'll be open. Well,
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll
see.
Yeah, we'll see. It is now time for Ariel to reveal the shirt that she got made.
Yay! So I got this design. Yay! It's Minnie and Mickey, obviously. So I was a little upset because they didn't have a lot of colors, like a lot of options. They only had white, like black, and purple. And so, and if you got it in white, then like this section down here is like red. I don't like wearing a lot of red with my clothes because it kind of clashes with my hair. So I avoid that. So I ended up with purple and white. So yeah, I like it. I think it's cute.
Maybe she'll wear it another time while we're out here and we can do a whole photo shoot or something like that. But yeah, we're going to go see what's up with Canada or something.
Did you guys see this? Isn't that cute?
Mickey Mouse on my EPCOT shirt. You can get this.
I got one too. They're giving us stickers.
Yeah.
We love stickers at Disney.
Sticker power. Sticker power. So Ariel and I have changed, and now we're going to see Canada far and wide. And this may be the only time you see me without my hair styled, fun fact. But we're going to go in there, check this out, and have a good time. The enchanting ruins.
However, I do ask that you only lean on them, do not sit, stand, or swing on them. If you would like to exit our theater at any time, you are more than welcome to do so through the doors opposite the ones that you came into. And as a courtesy to everyone else around you, we ask you to please dim or turn off all electronic devices and no flash photography. And now, On behalf of myself and all of us here in the Canadian Pavilion, I'm proud to present to you Canada Far and Wide.
Where'd you go?
Legend says the word Canada comes from Kanata, the Huron-Iroquois word for village. And although those early villages have grown into our modern provinces, Canada has remained a cultural mosaic, a place where you can keep and nurture your language and traditions while embracing the future.
All of which has made Canada one of the most diverse, modern, and natural places on the globe. So settle in as we take you on a journey far and wide across 5 regions, 6 time zones, and 5,700 miles.
Or as we like to say in Canada, 9,300 kilometers, because we have the metric system up here, you know.
We begin on the East Coast in Nova Scotia with one of our true Canadian treasures, the Blue Nose. She not only looks impressive, she can move too. The Blue Nose was once the world's fastest racing schooner.
The Atlantic provinces are well known for their historical towns and traditions, as well as some of the most musical. The Okanagan Valley is home to 2 very different environments. The valley's temperate climate is ideal for growing grapes in our wine country. And you'll also find Canada's only desert region. Yes, Canada actually has a desert.
Now grab your coats because we're heading toward the snowy peaks of Whistler. At Whistler Mountain, you'll find opportunities for almost every winter sport imaginable. Say, are you a fan of heli-skiing? Cathedral Grove, one of my favorite Vancouver spots. Some of these trees are 250 feet tall.
Trees that have been nurtured by Canada's Indigenous people for centuries. Canada is home to numerous First Nations peoples, a wonderful portrait of multicultural diversity. Well, that's just a glimpse of our Canada, far and wide. We hope you know now why we love it so much. Not just for the natural beauty, but for the people who make it so special.
And the best way to really know this country is to experience it yourself. So come visit our Canada. We'd love to have you.
You're a lifetime journey for the traveler. Canada, my Canada. You're a lifeline of wonder on this planet Earth. De neige dans les forêts, chante un peu à peu ton cœur. Je vois plaisir, comme si que l'enfant. Canada, Canada, mon Canada, aboutissement de rêve pour tous les voyageurs. Canada.
Welcome back, travelers. We hope you enjoyed your journey across Canada. Please gather up all of your personal belongings and exit through the open doors. Thank you for visiting us.
Exit through the open doors, Ariel.
Merci beaucoup tout le monde.
All right, so we have watched Canada Far and Wide, and after watching it, I think it's a cute film. It's not as funny as the first one with Martin Short, but I think it was overall pretty good. Ariel, what did you think of it?
I thought it was pretty good too.
Okay, so what is your Kingdom report card for this?
Well, I probably won't see it again for a while, so maybe like a B minus.
Okay, see, I'm gonna be a little nicer. I'm gonna say a solid B, just because it had some great visuals, and they had the Canada song at the end. But
Oh yeah, the Canada song.
but I would have preferred Ryan Reynolds personally being the narrator. But I think, yeah, I give it a B. You give it a B minus, so we'll even out in the B range. So have you folks seen it yet? If you have, let us know what you think. But any final words before we say au revoir? No? All right, thanks for watching, folks. This has been the Kingdom Report with guest host Ariel Motes, my lovely girlfriend. Okay, bye.
Bye.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome.